So now it's time to back up our operating system. So what I'll do is I'll say copy, right? We're going to back up the iOS, and what is it? It's copy, let's see here, flash TFTP. And after I say copy flash TFTP, it says what's the source file name. And this is where I need to put in the name that I wrote down for my bin file, which is my operating system. So C2960-LAN base, okay, -mz.122-25 .fx .bin, and hit enter. And then the address of the remote host, 192.168.99.253, and hit enter, and give it a destination file name. Normally I would choose the same file name, but this time I want to make sure it works, so I'll say Dan's iOS like I did before, .bin, and hit enter. And it says, hey, there's no file with that name, so I must have put in the wrong name. So let's go double check. Show flash. Say C2960, right? Dash LAN base dash MZ. Okay, so we'll try again. Okay, I finally got this working, so we'll do it one more time, and I'll show you that it works. So copy flash to TFTP, right? Source file name, I need to put in the file name of my iOS or bin file. I already looked it up. Let's see if I can, no, in history here, don't have it, so I'm gonna have to type it in. Okay, C2960, right, dash LAN base, okay, that looks good, dash MZ .122 -25 x .bin. All right, that looks good. And then the address of the remote host, once again, there it is. I'll just do that. And then the destination file name, and I'll put Dan's iOS.bin, and hit enter, and you can see the exclamation points, which mean that it's transferring successfully, and it worked. And just to double check, I'll click here and go into the server and click on TFTP, and then scroll down, and you'll see there's Dan's config and Dan's iOS.bin. So it worked.